Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can share your screen using the Zoom application, for instance, during Zoom meetings with your contacts. So let us get started right away. Now, in the first step, launch the Zoom Workplace application on your device, be it on your PC or laptop. Log into your account, and here on your home screen, you will be given access to these 4 features: new, meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. So for obvious reasons, click on share screen. After that, Zoom Workplace will ask you to enter your personal meetings ID. If you don't know your meetings ID, guys, simply head over to your profile on zoom.us, log into your account, and here in your account, simply click on profile on the left panel, and you will find your personal meetings ID under the section meeting, personal meeting ID here to the right. Unfortunately, it's not possible to copy and paste it, so you'll have to note it down or to memorize it and to type it in here. Usually it is 10 digits long. So after that, Zoom will ask you what source you would like to use as your share screen. For instance, your entire display or only specific windows, folders, or applications open on your computer. So that's totally up to you. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to share my entire screen. And after that, the screen sharing session will automatically and instantaneously start. So be prepared for that. You will see the timer running here at the top. So you may, for instance, stop the screen sharing by clicking on stop here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you record your screen using the Zoom application on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.